So here's the entrance to the new place. Sorry, I'm turning the light on there. This is cold storage. Unfortunately, we lost the Esplanade, but here's the kitchen. Granite and backsplash. Turned out really well. Refrigeration. And then here's her bathroom, or her bedroom, sorry. Pretty big space, nice open window there. Just give you an understanding of what that kind of looks like. And then you come out, this is the kitchen here, another angle of it. And then you come out and here's the space. Really big space, actually. This is the angle, so that's her entrance right there. And then this is her living area. That door is storage, more storage. This is another angle. And then hallway here. And then you walk into here. And here is the bathroom. Huge bathroom. So I'll give you an angle. And there you have it. Nice big door here. Goes out, get a new retaining wall. And she's got a shelter that they built over top. Anyway, all done. 6 months later.